Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. So if you came from my main channel, welcome. Please do subscribe. If this is your first time here and you haven't heard of me yet, I am Carlo Ople. I have several YouTube channels. This one is my dedicated watch channel, but I also have a channel that's all about sneakers and tech. Check that out. The link can be found down below. Now for today's episode, it's going to be a special treat. We have over here straight from Japan. This is the One Piece G-schok. We will unbox it, check it out, take a closer look, and at the end of it, I'll tell you if it's worth buying or not. Let's go. Reference number for this, if I'm not mistaken, is the GA-110JOP, and that's the base model that they used for this collaboration with One Piece, which is the GA-110. This one usually retails for $250, but the current resale price, if you check different websites, is anywhere from $400 to $500, or roughly 20 to 30,000 pesos. Now it comes in this really special canister. So you see over there, G-schok / One Piece, and the same writing can be found along the sides of the tin. If you pop it open, you have your normal manuals and warranties, and then this, ladies and gentlemen, is the watch. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you take a closer look at the watch, the base color of it is actually black. And then you have different prints and illustrations of Luffy, the main character in One Piece, in his different forms. So if you guys have been following the anime, it's kind of like your typical Japanese fighting anime where you start with a semi-strong or actually weak character, and then he continuously progresses as he is challenged, becomes stronger and stronger, levels up and stuff like that. And that's what you see here. In fact, one of his latest forms is at the top of the band. You see him over there, and then you have more illustrations along the band and along the edges of the watch itself. What really makes this watch stand out for One Piece fans, if you ask me, are the small little details. If you take a look at the inset dial, it actually uses the straw hat of Luffy over there, and opposite it is wanted, which is of course that usual, I don't know, like piece of paper that comes up in the anime with the reward for the different pirates that are in the show. But one of my absolute favorite features of this watch is if the hour and minute hands hit 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock respectively, it will actually form an X together with the diagonal gold lines along the other side of the watch. And what happens is it actually symbolizes the X on Luffy's chest, as well as the typical where to find the treasure X thing, which of course a big thing for pirates. And of course, apart from the One Piece references, it is a G-schok, so it is packed with features. Let me quickly run over them. It is shock resistant, as you would expect with most G-schok, so you can beat this up badly and it will survive, and it is durable. It is 200 meters water resistant as well. For the different modes, you have 29 time zones, you have the typical countdown timer, you have a stopwatch, it has alarms, 2-year battery life, and it even has an orange LED light so that you can see it better when it's in the evening and you want to see the digital display. Wearing it on your wrist, it is your typical 55 millimeters diameter G-schok, so it is kind of chunky. It is not a very slim G-schok to wear. If you want the slim ones, you guys might want to check out the G-schok Ope, which I recently reviewed on this channel, the link of which you can find down below. But as an anime fan, as a Japanese anime fan, and as a guy who loves chunky watches, this one sits really nicely on my wrist. I love the proportion, I love the look, I love the style, I love the reference to One Piece. It's a big win for me. Now the good news is it is confirmed for a release in the Philippines, so watch out for news about the local release sometime in September. Now my recommendation, should you guys buy the watch or not? Chances are it will sell out fast because there is some kind of hype to it. Now, if you can buy it for retail and you are a One Piece fan, even if you're not a One Piece fan, but you are a G-schok collector and you just love anime, generally speaking, then I think it's a good buy. I mean, for $250, it's what, roughly around 14 to 15,000 pesos. It's a limited edition, nice G-schok, which for me is really standout and unique. However, having said that, I honestly feel that it is not worth paying resale for. So if you will be spending anywhere from 23 to 30,000 pesos, I really feel that you're wasting your money. There are so many other watches that you can buy at that particular price point that are much better than this, For example, this Mud Master, I think that's what it's called. I'm not like a super g-schok expert. I got it for a little, oh, it's in compass mode. That's nice. So that's why I was wondering why the second hand was going all crazy on me, but apparently I set it on compass. But yeah, this one is packed with so many features. It has a carbon fiber case. It has Bluetooth capabilities, and it's just a really packed, crazy watch with multiple sensors, and I just love this watch. And this one sells for a little over 20,000 pesos. So if you will be spending that kind of cash, then you might want to take a look at the better models of G-schok instead of paying resale for this. Again, my reco is buy it for retail. If you are a hardcore fan and you missed your chance, then you might want to buy it for resale, but seriously give it a think. Give it a long think. If the desire for it isn't there anymore, strongly recommend you guys check out other nicer watches like this one. Okay, that's actually it for our episode for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do consider subscribing if you haven't yet. I'm really having so much fun with this watch vlog, and rest assured, we will be pumping out more watch content, more watch unboxings and reviews, and maybe even comparisons down the road. This is Carlo signing out, and as I usually say in my main vlog, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.